So recently, nasira yung headphones ko. Kaya bumili ako ng bagong headphones. Ito yung nakita ko sa Data Blitz. Ano siya? Zeus 2 All-in-One by Red Dragon. Before natin unbox to, ano ba nangyari sa last headphones ko? Wired siya. Ito itsura niya, Titan. So may RGB lighting pa dito pag sinaksak mo yung USB. Kasi nakalimutan kong suot-suot ko siya. Tumayo ako. Kasi tinawag yata ako ng mother ko or something. Tapos, ayun. Ito na nangyari. Kita ba? Ayan. Tanggal. Tanggal yung USB connector. So, one time lang nangyari yon, sira na. Kitang-kita naman eh. Ayan o. Talaga sobrang plastic. Hindi siya detachable mic. And just the overall build is not good. Titan did its job. Talagang hindi lang maganda yung quality niya. Mafe-feel mo naman yung quality kasi 700 pesos lang yung Titan na nabili kong headphones. Hindi ko na siya mare-review dahil nasira na. Itong Red Dragon, yung price niya nasa 2,250 sa Data Blitz ko nabili sa Glorieta. Pag binayaran mo siya ng cash, you get less 100, so 2,150. Ang ganda ng reviews niya eh. Ayoko rin kasi mawala yung warranty, kaya kailangan ko na siyang i-unbox. Ayan o, kitang-kita naka-seal pa siya. Let's go ahead and unbox this now. Ito yung harap niya, Zeus 2 accessories. 3.5 audio cable, removable microphone, which is okay na okay kasi hindi naman ako mahilig gumamit nitong mic. For now. Tapos may 3.5 audio cable, 1 to 2. May PU bag and may USB control box. Ang gusto ko lang malaman is maganda ba to? Maganda ba quality niya? And will it suit my gaming needs? Okay. Let's go ahead. Let's unbox this. Tanggalin na natin itong sticker. Ano to? Stickers, tsaka yung, I think, the manual. Merong isang box dito. Logo branding ng Red Dragon. Okay. Here's the mic. Detachable mic. Ito yung 2-in-1 audio jack. And ito yung controller niya. May isa pang box dito. What is this? I think this is the bag. Ayun. So meron siyang kasamang bag. Manipis lang na bag para for your earphones. Okay. Definitely not the best of quality of bags. Let's see. Tingnan natin. Parang okay, may konting dust. This is metal You know. I think this is aluminum. So, right off the bat, alam mong okay to, matibay. Tapos narinig niyo yun? Ang sarap ng feel niya. This is plush. Ang ganda ng feel nito. Alam ko kagad masarap to sa tenga. So, this is, I think, synthetic leather din. Pero magandang klase. 3.5mm audio jack. So, makikita nyo, gold-plated. Tapos yung wire, braided. So, matibay to. Hindi basta-basta magbe-break yung wires nyo. Okay? USB, also gold-plated. Tapos, itong controller niya mismo for your volume up, down, mute. Ayan, mute your microphone or mute your sound. Maganda yung branding dito sa Dragon. I really like it. Take note, itong band niya, yan, meron din siyang nakalagay, Red Dragon. Ano siya? Tawag doon, hindi siya yung plastic lang. Naka-cover din siya sa same material nito. Okay, so para siyang synthetic leather. So you can feel this as well here on top. Super lambot, super comfy. Ayan, another logoing here for the Red Dragon. Hindi basta-basta rin masisira yung wires that are connected inside kasi braided din siya. Hindi siya mainit sa tenga. Sobrang comfy nito. Actually doesn't feel like parang 2,000 lang siya. It feels like mas mahal siya. So, hindi talaga nagbibiro yung mga napanood kong vlogs. I think I watched like around 2 to 3 videos or reviews for this. Imagine 4 to 5 years na to, itong product na to. May version siya na Bluetooth. And meron siyang version na color white for this, yung wired. Kaso, wala silang available. Gusto ko sana talaga yung white kasi white yung build nung desktop gaming ko. But, man, I have no complaints here. Ganda ng build. Now, let's try it. And, ganun lang kabilis. You can just move this around. Gusto ko yung part na detachable siya. Isa pang maganda dito is, pag tumayo ako, nakalimutan kong suot to, I think mas madali siyang matanggal. Versus dito, sa Titan ko, na talagang nakadikit yan sa headphones. I can feel the difference kagad. It has a deep bass sound. Try natin sa music lang, sa mga hip-hop music nung 90s. Nasa 50% pa lang yung volume nito and it's already loud. And yung bass niya, grabe, solid. Premium feel siya. Okay, hindi siya yung maingay, hindi siya clicky sound. Minute mo siya, pababa siya. Parang maghintay ka ng 1 second, hihina sabay wala. Hindi yung wala kagad. Nasa 60 na yung volume out of 100 and I can hardly hear myself right now. As in, hindi ko naririnig na yung I can hear my voice hum but it's not clear anymore. Ang lakas ng music. Old school na ako, guys. Yeah. Okay, so habang naghihintay tayo ng updates, tingnan uli natin yung headphones and, you know, magko-quick game lang ako. Hindi tayo magko-competitive. Ibang experience na nakukuha ko ngayon sa headphones na to. Mas immersive yung gameplay. And mas full yung sound, mas deep yung bass, and talagang sound surround siya. Rinig na rinig ko yung footsteps. Rinig na rinig ko yung footsteps left and right. Medyo lumang model na to, but I'm pretty amazed right now. Naganda na nga ako sa sound sa Titan. For the price. But, iba eh. This is really good. Not just for gaming. Pati na rin dun sa YouTube na nakikinig ako ng sounds. Nawala na ako sa vlog ko. But, panalo. I highly recommend this. That's it for this quick review and first impressions nitong Zeus 2 ng Red Dragon. Panalo. Ang ganda nito. Hopefully, tumagal. And, yung quality naman niya, yung aluminum, plush na cups, pati itong support dito sa headband. So far, lahat panalo. Okay, so natutuwa ako sa nabili ko. And again, it pays to watch the reviews here sa YouTube first before buying. I've been gaming with this for few hours. Siguro nag-try ako one time, mga 3 hours ako nag-gaming, playing Valorant. And hindi masyado nangangawit yung tenga ko. And hindi masyado umiinit sa ears as well. So okay siya. I mean, for long playing na mga gaming, I think I will really recommend this. Pag okay sa inyo na hindi wireless. There you go. Red Dragon Zeus 2, highly recommended. I'll see you guys on my next video. Please watch out. Also, I may come back to this. We'll see after a few months how it holds up to my gaming. Plus yung microphone test.